Good day and welcome to ASTRO'S CAD tutorials. Today we'll be talking about linear sketch pattern and circular sketch pattern. We have linear sketch pattern in features. In features, the features tab, you can see linear sketch pattern here. You can also see circular sketch pattern, circular pattern here. There are others, but we'll talk about them in advanced classes. Then in the sketch tab, there is also linear sketch pattern here. So let me show you what sketch does. Let's say I draw a corner rectangle here, somewhere in the middle here. Okay. Let me quickly dimension it. Just here to here should be 20. And then its midpoint should be, let's make it here. Then smart dimension. Um then let's make it 15. Okay. Now let's manage the sketch the way it is right now. Okay. So if we go over to linear sketch pattern feature here, this your direction one. Let's delete it here. I wanted this sketch to go from left to right, from where it is towards the right. So I'm going to select this straight line edge here. So this is going to be our direction one. And then here we can put, okay, first of all, I'm going to scroll down. Okay, I'm going to scroll down. Ask you the entities. What entities do you want to pattern? So we're going to pick this shape here. You can also pick only single lines if you want. If you pick only the lines, let's say we make it, let's pick three for now first. If you pick only the lines, it's going to mirror pattern only the lines. So if I pick this line, it's going to pattern that line. But we're going to pick everything in this case. So on our direction one, we've picked the direction. If we wanted it to go from this position to the left side, we just flip this direction here and it's going to flip over to that side. But let's leave it this way first. So let's make it 10. Let's make it 10. In direction 2, in case you're not giving your axis here, you're going to pick any edge you want. If it's a slanted edge, you can also pick it. If it's like a diagonal edge, you can also pick it if you like. So, but we're going to pick this edge as our direction 2. And then we'll pick 3. Or let's also use 10 here. Okay. So you can see the way it's going. It's going downward. We want it to go upward, we'll pick this. And there are two joints together. Like they are two fixed. So wait, let me first explain. For our direction one, this 10 millimeter counts from this edge here, from this first edge to the very first edge of the first pattern. So the 10 millimeter is from the first line to this first line of the second pattern. I hope you understand. From here to here is 10 millimeter. Okay. So for direction two, it's from this bottom line to the next bottom line. From here to here is 10 millimeter. So we're going to change this to something like 20. Let's give it 20. So we've given it 20. So from here to here is 20. Um the number we picked is too much. So we're going to use just 2. Okay. So you have only one line and two lines. You can just click OK here now, and then your sketch will be readily available for you. If you want, you can actually change the number here. Just double click on this, and you can put maybe 15. It will automatically update. And the same thing for the y axis. Hold on. Okay. Same thing for the y-axis. You double click on it, make it 3. It will automatically update to 3. Okay, so I'm going to show you one more thing. Let me create a circle here. Let me create a circle here. Click OK. Then linear sketch pattern. So I'm going to pick, okay, direction X has already been picked. This circle has already been picked. So I'm going to make it let's say we make it 10 here. And then the distance between it, let's make it 20. Or this. And let's reduce this a bit to 6. Okay, so if you scroll down, you see this option here, instances to skip. If you click on it, you can select patterns you do not want to be there. Let's say we select this pattern and we select this pattern here. So we only want these three to be involved in our drawing. When you select the ones you don't want, click OK. Now we'll have only this selected patterns in the picture. Okay, so that's all you need to know about sketch, linear sketch pattern under sketch. It's the exact same thing for the features. It's the exact same thing here. So I'm just going to extrude cut all of this. I'm going to use through all. Okay, so I'll just briefly show you that it's the exact same thing here in features. So I'll click on linear pattern. For direction one, we'll click this edge. And we're not using up to reference, but up to reference simply means select a point here. Sorry, up to reference. Make sure you click on the window. You select this point here. So whatever, if we scroll down and I pick this edge, this extrude cuts, it's going to. I need to create another cut so I can show you what it is. So just stand by. Let me create something. So I'm going to show you linear sketch pattern, and I'm going to explain what up to reference is. So direction one, we're going to pick this face here, and then up to reference, we want it to stop at this top edge here. So if you come down and select features and faces, I want to select this cuts here. Okay, so it's going to, let me 50. Okay, it's going to, how will I put it, linear pattern the cuts to any amount it automatically picks out due to the value you give it here. It's going to stop at this age. It's not going to extend past this age. So let's say we make here 10. If we make it 10, so we'll have as from here to here is 10. From here to the next pattern is 10. To have all these numbers of patterns, but it's going to stop at the edge. As the middle of this is going to stop at the edge. If we make it 20, it's going to reduce. As the distance from here to here, if we keep increasing it, it's going to reduce, keep reducing. That's basically what up to reference is. If we use spacing and instances, so we want 5 and we want the distance between them to be 20. So you're going to have this. You can also use direction 2 if you like. But we're not using that. So this is all you need to know on linear pattern. So the next thing we'll talk about now will be circular sketch pattern. So we have a body here and we need to input holes inside this body. So we click on this face here, for example. Now this origin point is our centroid of, like our center of rotation, our point of rotation. Just so you know, we're going to create either a circle or you can practice with whatever shape you like. We're going to create a small circle here. Let's give it a small dimension of 8. 9 is fine. Okay. Then you need to make it vertical to this point here. Vertical. Now our sketch is not fully defined. So we're going to give it smart dimension. Distance between this point and this point. So it should be, let's leave it as 45. Okay, so it's fully defined now. If you come over to linear sketch pattern, you see the option of circular sketch pattern. Now our parameters, you can pick this center point. You can increase the number you want here. You can add or to add dimensions do the after you approve the pattern. Let's make it 10. Then we click OK. So we've done this. We can now extrude this shape the way it is. Extrude. Okay. See? You could do something like this. Very, very, very simple. You can also for features, let's say we want to create a hole here. Now we create a hole like this, we give it a smart dimension of 6. 6 is fine. Now instead of drawing this circle everywhere again, you could use circular pattern actually, but let's say you didn't want to use that. Let's put our cuts through the body. We're going to use through all, and then we'll click OK. So now we can see there's a hole through one of the circles. So now you can, in features, you can come to circular pattern here. Direction, we're going to pick the origin point again. If clicking it doesn't work, we're going to click an edge this time. So now it has automatically picked the center of this circle, of this circular edge. They'll ask you features to mirror. You can pick it through here, or you can come to this menu bar and click on the last feature you did. That's cut extrude, and it will automatically go around inside all circles, and you click OK, and then you have this. See, very simple and efficient method to use when modeling bodies with multiple patterns around it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.